Hello guys, I hope you are all doing great and welcome to Angular Material series. In this tutorial I will show you how to use Progress Spinner in your Angular project from Angular Material. Are you ready? Let's get started. So I'm going to open my previous Angular project. Okay, I'm going to close everything, and this is a simple Angular project which I created in the previous video. So I'm going to remove everything from HTML, Control S, and I'm going to remove from app.component.ts. I'm going to remove everything, and I'm going to remove math table module from app module.ts. And so this is a simple Angular project. Let's run ng-serve, and let's host the project, localhost. This is an empty project, and now I will show you how to use Progress Spinner in your Angular project. Okay, go to this website, material.angular.io, and click on component, and on the left side we have all the component, and click on progress bar, and here we have to click on this icon and copy the markup, and you should click here, and very simple, paste it in your app.html.math spinner. Okay, and go to your, and I have to also import math progress spinner module in our app module.ts. okay, click here and also add here math progress spinner module s, Control S, and now let's see. As you can see here, I used math progress spinner. Yeah, that's how you can use math spinner in your Angular project. If you like the video, please do subscribe my channel and share it with friends. See you in the next video.